Hi estate owners! Welcome back to my vlog, and it's been a long time na hindi ako nakapag-vlog. That's why na-miss ko kayo and na-miss ko rin mag-vlog. And for today's touring, we are here at the Florence, located here at McKinley Hill, near BGC, NAIA Terminal 3, and of course, the Venice Mall. And napakaganda ng location na to, and this is not the first time na mabablog tayo here at the Florence. This unit is sobrang maaliwalas and it's so beautiful because it's on the top floor. Yes, you heard it right. Nasa top floor tayo ngayon. And this is located at the 22nd floor here at Tower 3. And take note guys, yung mga one bedroom namin dito na may view or mataas na floor is very limited lang. That's why once na napanood nyo to and you're interested, don't forget to contact me, okay? But, syempre, tutur ko muna kayo sa unit. And now, let's start. We are here at the main door, and at the back of the main door is the general main switch. And on my left side, and of course, on this part, you can put a shoe rack here. And this is your kitchen. So, hindi naman siya ganun kalaki, but it has a decent space. And of course, we have here your lower and upper cabinets. Yan. So, you can put here your plates, fork or spoon, anything if you want to put here. And of course, we have here your granite countertop, your stainless steel sink, and of course, your range hood, and your 2-burner cooktop, and the provision for your refrigerator. So on this part is your dining area. So it can fit a 3 to 4 seaters for the dining area. And napansin nyo guys, napaka maaliwalas and maliwanag ng unit. So even though kahit wala tayong lights now, maliwalas pa or maliwanag pa din yung unit. And it has floor-to-ceiling glass. So, ito yung nagustuhan ko rin dito sa the Florence. So, it has a natural light here inside your unit. And the floor here is made up of ceramic tiles for your living area. And syempre, yung ating inverter na split-type aircon is included na here at your unit. And on this side is where you can put your television. And on this side is your sofa. And right here, pwede pa kayo maglagay ng small table if you want. And of course, this is our balcony. So sa balcony, you can put also a small table. So imagine in the morning, you have a coffee here and enjoying the view. You have the view of the bay. This is our Mega Worlds project also, the Venice Residences and the Viceroy. And now let's proceed to the toilet and bath. So yan, so naka-separate yung ating toilet and bath. So you have so that you have a privacy na rin. And of course, it has complete sanitary fittings, and over here, you have the provision for the washer and dryer. So, lahat is included na, like the mirror, the sink, upon turnover. And now, let's proceed to your bedroom area. So, here is your bedroom area. It can fit a queen-size bed. And of course, again, we have floor-to-ceiling glass. So, kahit na hindi nyo i-open yung lights sa araw or at the day, okay lang. So, di ba, sobrang tipid sa kuryente. And, kung gusto nyo rin nang di open yung inyong aircon, pwede rin, lalo na kung this season na malamig. So, sobrang mahangin and maaliwalas talaga siya since nasa top floor tayo. And of course, we also have here your split-type aircon, which is included na sa unit, and your modular closet. By the way, this unit is a 43 square meters, And we still have other units available, like 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom units. So if you have any questions or concerns, we also have other locations na available for rent-to-own terms. Or if you want cash term, we also give big discount for cash term. And for this unit at the Florence, so if you have any question, you can contact me on the details shown on your screen. So ilalagay ko dito yung aking contact number. I have here the Viber, WhatsApp, or Telegram. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more condo tour. And again, I hope you enjoy my vlog for today. And that's the end of my tour. Again, I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Wintakla. Thank you for watching. Bye!